Kynhun Kiba Shakri ya Kiba wan Jngohkai ya Kajalla hakajing kendo yo menteri rangba ukonrat kes sangma yo menteri beri kmi ikatanat tourism uba polling do hakashitarek unailar arja arpusau kila dawa banna kabanta kajing singan ki nongwan Jngohkai de banwan ra no pentrekam dagi tourist police ki banya let lang bat ki bosh nong bat ki village defense party Kani kajingwan ya keran ka Kynhun ka long halor ka nongrem makajing pakhang ka hinyo trap National Youth Front ya ki kali turis na Assam haka step jong ka arpun reutreng naitung arja arpusau hi kalawan ra kajings ir mensiem ya ki nongwan Jngohkai perthai Chairman ka Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum MTDF uba Alan West Kharkongor ulaong banakaliang ka Kynhun kala ai jumut ya ka Sorkar banbu no dagi tourist police haki jaka Jngohkai perthai khnang bakanom don kanu gajing ma na kabanta ki nongwan Jngohkai bat ka ban long ru kum kalat ban ai kam ai jam yaki brio ki ba na gajalla Nalor kata kila ai jing mutru ban penhe ya ka Shillong Airport ka badan ha umroi khnang ban pensuk ya ki bakamai na jalla namar hadu mentahi kidang hap up ban khmi lenti tang na ka airport ka badan ha Guwahati
We have met the CM and we have handed over to him a memorandum that expressed its concern about the recent incident in Tengah where tourists were stopped by an NGO halfway and sent back to Shillong or Guwahati. So we have condemned the incident and we have urged upon the state government to handle the situation. Not only in Tengah, prior to Tengah there has been incident in Shillong and Kyrwoh that has created a sense of fear for people travelling to the state of Meghalaya. So it is the duty of the state government to ensure that tourists are safe while entering the state of Meghalaya or travelling inside the state of Meghalaya. And for us in this tourism sector we need only one thing. Law and order has to be maintained. Peace and harmony. So it is the duty of the government to ensure that the state is under the situation where peace and harmony prevails so that tourism can flourish. We have also not just given our concern but we have also given our suggestions how to improve situation in the tourism sector, especially with regards to the current issue of the transporter. We have urged upon the state government to improve or expand the Kyrwoh airport because we realize that the entire problem is because we are still depending on Guwahati airport. We are happy to see that the High Court has recently issued a statement asking the state government, the central government and the Airport Authority of India to see that mid-sized aircraft like the A320 which can carry 180 passengers should land at Kyrwoh Airport. The CM has stated that even the state government is serious about this issue and he has assured that they will take up the matter seriously. And of course there are certain things that the Airport Authority of India has also stated, best known to the government. We also don't know about the details, but we have only one thing to say that if the government of Meghalaya, government of India and Airport Authority of India works together to ensure that this mid-sized aircraft can land at Kyrwoh and also not connected only to Calcutta but connected to major cities of India. To start with Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai and Delhi. I think if we can do this, we are very positive that 80% of the problem that lies with the transportation sector will be solved. So this is one solution that we have offered. Second solution is that we have asked the state government to enforce security, sense of security in the tourist identified location, like Sora, Dauki, then Amlarem. We have mooted the idea of having tourist police. And the CM has welcomed this suggestion and the tourism department will work on details on how to take forward this suggestion given by us. The CM has also given his idea of engaging local youths. If not entirely, the tourist police will be handled by police department, but also engage local youths. We have also suggested that to take the service of the village defense party, but it has to be organized in such a way that the youths that are being taken as tourist police will be professional in the line of tourist police of Thailand and Singapore. So point number 3 is we also insist on again maintaining peace and order in the state, so that whatever we invested, I'll tell you, in the last 10 years, this tourism has expanded to rural areas, and people has made investment in terms of taking loan, either to make a homestay or a guest house. For people in the rural areas, to take a loan of 2 and 3 lakhs is not it's an issue that is a concern for them if they cannot repay back the loan. So we are also worried about incidents, stray incidents of the like of similar to Umtangar should not be repeated, so that disturbances should not be created in the state that will create fear in the mind of visitors to the state of Meghalaya.
Habatin, pej bahaki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.